Are you wondering which braid style is best for you? Well, look no further because in this video, I'm going to be putting together the the two hottest crochet hairstyles head to head. Yes, this video is going to be about crochet box braids and beach curls. Which one will you decide? I'm going to help you make an informed decision by giving you a step-by-step guide on how to install and giving you pointers, tips, and tricks on both of these styles. So, which one will come out on top? Will it be the box braids or will it be the beach curls? So, yes, join me as I put these two crochet hairstyles back to back to see which one is going to come out on top.
Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my client here has come in today to get her some 20-inch box braids. Yes, these are going to be some crochet box braids. And as you can see, she does have some alopecia here at the top. She has some severe hair loss at the top and some around the edges. But no worries, ladies. Why? Because when this style is completed, you will not be able to tell that she has any hair loss at the top at all. So I am going to be doing using my custom made closure. Yes, these are my custom made closures, handmade by myself for those who have alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, short hair, and damaged hair. Yes, this closure is absolutely beneficial for anyone who has hair issues, and for those who do not have hair issues, this is also a protective style. So I am going to apply and install my closure, and I am going to start crocheting these crochet box braids. Yes, these are going to be amazing. Here they are. Yes, these are some burgundy and black ombre. Yes, there are burgundy. It is a black and burgundy mix. It's a 1B and a 118 mix. And as you can see, they are 20 inches long. They are straight. There is no curl or anything at the end. So I have customized her closure in the front. I installed a net because I want to make sure that I am protecting her hair as much as possible. I am going to be crocheting these box braids more so on the net and not her hair. Yes, that's what you want to do when you have clients who have hair issues. You want to make sure that you are reducing as much tension, pulling, and stress on the natural hair as possible. As you can see, I am braiding or corn rolling her closure for this style. So please continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is accomplished.
Peace and blessings, fam. West Coast finest TsBraidsWeaves is back again. Yes, today I am going to be doing a beautiful crochet style. Yes, these are some beautiful beach wave curls. Yes, beach wave. They are going to be so beautiful. So as you can see here, I've already started her braid pattern, and I am doing the third braid. This braid right here I'm going to use as my stopper braid. What do I mean when I say my stopper braid? This is the braid that I'm going to use, and I'm going to crochet this braid going across these other two braids. This is going to determine where her part stops. She doesn't want her part to go all the way to the back, so I need to make sure that there is a stop point. So that's what this braid is being used for on this side, and I did the same on the other side. This braid also gives her versatility to be able to wear this right side part in many different areas. So she can have it a low right side part or upper or higher right side part. So here I'm just braiding those braids all together in the back, braiding this braid across the back so that I can have an anchor braid in the back to sew down. Yes, this is the best way to do a versatile style. And yes, here they are. These are the beach curls. They are absolutely gorgeous. Actually a ombre color. There is a 1B, 27, and 30 mixed. So yes, it's all three colors, a 1B, a 27, and a 30 mixed. So here I am doing my installation process. Please watch this process. This is the best way to install these beach curls or ocean curls or crochets that don't have a pre-loop. So what I did is I did the regular crochet method, and then I also take the second piece and I pull it through the braid. This is to ensure that none of the pieces of hair or the crochets will come down. And that's what we want, ladies. We want to make sure that there is no way for the braids to slip out or to come down. So again, I'm going to show you the process. As you can see here, I'm sticking the latch hook through the braid. I'm doing the regular crochet method. I'm closing the hook. I'm pulling one piece through at a time. That first piece is going to give me that invisible knot. Look at that. That's the invisible knot. Right there. You cannot see any knot. Then I go back in, and I'm not going all the way underneath the braid. Notice I'm just going through the top of the braid, and I'm pulling the other side through this braid. Once I pull the other side through the braid, it's going to give me a more secure lock with that hair. Now look at the hair. There's no way this hair is going to come down. It's going to slip out or anything. And you have to really be careful with hair that does not have pre-loops, because sometimes they will slip out if you don't crochet them in correctly. So again, I pull the first piece of hair through. That gives me that invisible knot. And then I'm going to go back in that braid, and I'm going to pull the other side through the braid as well. There it goes, and I'm pulling it through, and that's going to give me the secure crochet knot that I need. And it's invisible, and you don't see any knots on top of the braids. So again, continue to watch this process. This is very important, especially again, like I said, with crochets that don't have a pre-loop. And look how beautiful this style is coming out. If you haven't tried these beach curls, please try them. They're absolutely gorgeous. Continue to watch and see how this beautiful style was accomplished. As you can see, it is coming out amazingly beautiful. I love it. Okay, as you can see, family, we are almost done. Yes, I am at the top and in the front, and I am just filling in these braids, and this is coming out absolutely gorgeous. Yes, I am loving it. I am doing my install method to make sure that all these crochets are nice and secure. Voila! And here it is. This is the end results. This is absolutely beautiful. Please comment below and let me know what you think. I think the style came out absolutely gorgeous. It's versatile. She can wear her right side part. She can wear it back in the front off of her face. She can wear left side part. She can wear this in many different styles. She can just play around with it and have fun. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, because yes, I upload new videos every single week. Stay safe and stay blessed. Until next time, West Coast Finest.